Hi class 7, welcome to DPSJ. Today is 27th April. I have taught you in my previous class about the adjectives. Adjective of number I have ended, but there is something more to learn about adjective of number which I will discuss with you today. And also I will discuss with you the distributive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. Okay. So students, look at your book, page number 26. See, in the adjective of number, there are definite numeral adjective, look at the board. Then there are indefinite numeral adjectives and there are distributive numeral adjectives. Now, for the definite numeral adjectives, there are two types, that is cardinals and ordinals. And here in cardinals, you know that cardinal numbers means when we refer to 1, 2 and 3. And in ordinals we refer to the positions, okay, the first position, the second position, third, fourth, fifth, like this. Then there is indefinite numeral adjectives where which do not denote an exact number. For the indefinite, so this word definite itself, we know that it is showing an exact number, and indefinite means it is not showing an exact number, like all, no, many, few, and like certain, several. So it is not giving an exact number. Then distributive numeral adjectives are what? Like each, every, either, means it is distributing to everyone. Like example is given in your book, like each boy must take his turn. So each boy means every boy, it is telling. India expects every man to do his duty. So it is distributing the work. Okay. So distributive adjectives which refers to everyone. Every word of it is false. Like either pen will do. Then each, every, either, neither. These types of words we generally use for distributive numeral adjectives. Okay. Now, the same adjective may be classed as a quantity or number. Now, some examples are given in your book. See the difference between the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Like I ate some rice. Some boys are clever. So here I ate some rice. What is the meaning? Here some is actually referring to the quantity of rice, and some boys it is showing the adjective of number because it is referring to the boys. Okay. He has lost all his wealth. All his wealth, it is showing the quantity of wealth, all. And in adjective of number, all men must die, it is showing the number of men. So this is the difference. So if you can go through the other sentences which is given in your book, you can understand. Then demonstrative adjective. Now you know that for demonstrative adjectives we generally point out the person or the thing. That like that is a, this is a pen. Okay, that is a book. So these are the demonstrative adjectives, like thi is this, these this, that, those, are books, those are my books. Okay. So like in your book it is given, this boy, thi is this boy is stronger than Hari. That boy is industrious. These mangoes are sour. So when we use this, when we are referring to a singular object which is closer to us, that time we use this this. When we are referring to many objects, okay, too many things which is closer to us, that time we use these this. Okay, that is for plural. And when we are referring to any distant object, a singular one, that time we say that. Okay. Then if we refer to many objects in a distance, or it is far from us, that time we use those, those. Okay. So these are called the demonstrative adjectives. And now lastly we will see about interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives means few words which are used to ask questions, like what, which and whose. When they are used with nouns to ask questions, they are called interrogative. Like what manner of man is he, which way shall we go, whose book is this. Okay students, so please go through whatever definitions is given in your book, which I have taught in my previous class and which I have taught you today. So whatever the types of adjectives, you have to know and know it and learn it along with the examples. And then your work is to solve the exercise in grammar 6. Here there is question number 1 to 28. Okay, so you have to solve it in your exercise copy. Okay. So please solve these questions, and if you have any problem in any question, you can keep it, you can write it in the comment box and I can reply you from there. Okay students, thank you.